Let us look at this table. What I want you to do is to calculate the mean height of the 100 models in centimeter. Remember now, this is a grouped distribution. So pause the video and go ahead. Okay, you have done that. Calculated the mean height. Now, you remember previously we looked at calculating the mean of a frequency distribution. Now the difference is that this is a grouped frequency distribution. Now, if this is 150 to 154, it covers 150, 152, 153, 154. 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, I should say. 5 values. We have to choose one of them to represent that group. Which one do you think? If you say the middle one, you would be right. So what we want to use is the midpoint. We want to use the midpoint of these values. So let's insert a column and call this the midpoint of these values. So we have 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 51, 152 falls right in the middle. So that's 152. If we go now to 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, there are 5 whole number values from 155 to 159. And of course, if you write them all out, just like at the top here, remember, you had 150. Let me make my line a little thicker. We had 150, we had 151, 152, 153, 154. Going from 150 up to 154. The middle one would be this one, so we use 152. Alright? Now, let us look at the other class. 155 to 159. We have 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. And we're using only the whole numbers. We know they are fractional values, but just the whole numbers. We're going from 155 right here up to 159 right here. From all of these, this one falls in the middle. You have 2 to the left and 2 to the right. So 157 we use. So we use 157 for this. Let me erase these. So we're going to use 157 as a midpoint. Now if you continue, you will get 162 and then 167, then 172. Those are the midpoints. So should I have an S on this? We use the midpoint to do the calculation. Now, from what we did last time, we can see that the mean is the midpoint here, 152, that represents the 150 to 154 group. 152 multiplied by 8, there are 8 of them. Instead of saying 152 plus 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 152, we just say 152 times 8 because there are 8 of them. Plus, then we had 157 times 16. Plus, and this one, 162, 43. 162 times 43 plus, and we had 167 and 29. 167 by 29 plus And we had 172 by 4. 172, we have 4 of them, so we multiply by 4. And at the end of the day, all of this must be divided by 100, since everything add up to 100. There are 100 of them. Divided by 100. So, bar x, the mean is equal to. Alright, let's put them all together. 157. Let me erase this, that was accidental. Alright, so we go back to what we were doing. So we have 152 by 8 plus 157 by 16, right? Plus, and we have 162 times 43 plus, and we have 167 by 29, 167 by 29 plus, then 172 by 4, 172 by 4. So we have everything here equals, what we have is 16 to 25. So that gives us 16 to 25 all over 100. So we can see that the average is the mean is 162.25 centimeters. That's the mean height, 162.25 centimeters. So that is the mean of a grouped distribution like this. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video.